We will discuss second example program using for looping statement. So again let us open the saved file by clicking the file menu and selecting the open option from the drop down menu. Then from open a file window, select the second file using the for loop. So second file is the exp7b.c. So select this one and then click the open tab. File gets open. Then in this file, write a C program to sum an average of n numbers entered by the user using the for looping statement. If user wants to add the 4 numbers or 5 numbers, then this program is written for that purpose. So numbers are provided by the user. So let us discuss this program first and then we will try to run and see the output. So as usual, using preprocessor directive hash include, we include standard input output.h and connew.h header files in our program. Then first statement of the main function defines two integer variable I and n. Next statement defines sum, av and num, three float variables simultaneously. Sum is initialized to a value of 0. Clear screen clears anything previously written on the output screen. Printf statement prints a message enter n. Then scanf function when user enters a number that is stored with variable n by scanf function. Then using for loop for I equal to 0, 1. So this is control variable initialization. Initial value of I is set as a 1. Then there is a condition I less than or equal to n. So if this condition is true, that is n is used how many numbers user wants to add. So initially that number was entered by the user and is stored with variable n. So this condition is true till, and when this condition is true till value of I is less than or equal to n entered by the user, then I plus plus update the value of I. So depending on the condition, body of the for loop is executed. So in this body of the for loop, printf statement print the message on the output screen. Enter number %d. So at this point I, that is initial value of I is 1. Enter number 1 and then user enter the first number. That number is taken in by the scanf function and is stored with the variable num. Then next statement sum equal to sum plus num. Number taken in is added to the initial sum. So initial value of sum in the beginning is set as a 0. So 0 plus first number added and sum is stored with the left side variable sum. After that control variable I is updated, that is value of I is incremented and condition is tested. So if again this condition is true, body of the for loop is executed and again we take this, a message is displayed, this time enter number 2 because value of I is now 2. So user enter the second number, then that number is taken in by the scanf function and is stored with the variable num. Then next statement adds the taken number to the previous sum value and is again stored to the sum to the left side variable sum. So in this way, till condition is true, depending on the number of the data to be added together, we can obtain the sum. We can obtain the number and add those number and store the sum with variable sum. Once condition fall, then control comes out of the for loop, and out of the for loop, average equal to sum slash n. Here we get the average of the sum or average of the number, that is equal to the sum divided by the number n. And then using the next statement, printf statement, we print the output sum equal to percentage f. At this format specifier, value of sum is printed and average equal to percentage f. In the second format specifier, value of average is printed. Then get ch statement hold the output screen to see the output. So let us run this program, and before running the program, let us compile this one and see whether any bug is present. So compiling window shows that no warning and no error is present. So let us run this program by clicking run menu and from the drop down menu selecting the run option. So when we run the program, enter n. How many numbers user wants to add? Suppose user wants to add 3 numbers. Then this number is when key is pressed, this number is stored with n. Now enter number 1. First number is to be entered. Then whenever enter key is pressed, again message is displayed. Enter number 2. Suppose this time 21. Then again enter number 3. 34. So 3 number, if we press the enter key, 3 numbers are entered and added together. And after that one, if we value of I is incremented and that becomes 4. And when that becomes 4, condition becomes fall. 12, 21 and 34. If we press the enter key, result is displayed. Sum equal to 67.000000 and average equal to 22.333334. So in this way, we can add the number and how many times, that is decided by the user. Let us press the enter key to go to the coding window. So as we are adding the 3 numbers, so when first time value of I is set as a 1, I is less than or equal to 3, that is true. When it is true, body of the for loop is executed, and that's why printf statement prints enter number 1 and value of I is 1, so enter number 1, where user enter the 12. Then that 12 is taken by the scanf function in and is stored with the variable num. Then statement sum equal to sum plus num. Sum initial value of sum is 0 and number taken in is equal to 12. So 12 plus 0 becomes 12. and it is stored with the left side variable sum equal to 12. Then next statement, after this one, value of control variable I is incremented. So this time value of I is incremented. So this time value of I becomes equal to 2. When condition is tested, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Naturally condition is true. Then again body of the for loop is executed. When it executed, printf statement prints again the message enter number 2 because this time value of I equal to 2. And then user enter the 21. So this 21 is taken in by scanf function and is stored with the variable num. Then next statement, sum equal to sum plus num. Initial value of sum is the R taken number is added to the initial value of sum, that is equal to 12. So 12 plus 21, and this sum becomes equal to 33, and then value of I is incremented. Now this value I becomes 3. So when condition is tested again, 3 is less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. So again body of the for loop is executed. This time again printf statement print the message enter number 3, whereby user enter the 34. This number is taken in by the scanf function and is stored with the variable num. Then using the next statement, sum equal to sum plus num, taken number 34 is added to the initial value of sum, that is equal to 33. So 33 plus 34, this becomes 67. 67 is assigned to the left side variable sum. After that value of control variable I is incremented, and then so this time this value becomes 4. When condition is tested, 4 is less than or equal to 3, condition becomes false. So control comes out of the for loop, and out of the for loop average is equal to sum slash n. So what is value of sum? That is divided by the number n to get the average. And next statement displays the sum as well as average on the output screen. So sum equals percentage f. At this place, what is the value of sum is printed, and average equals percentage f. What is the value of average is printed at this place. So we get the result on the output screen. So in this way we discuss the second problem using the for loop.